Hey guys, this is Warren with KLGadgetTV, and I'm now at ASUS's CES Media Showcase room checking out the ROG Zephyrus G14. Now, as you know, this is one of the laptops that is being highlighted by AMD that is going to be powered by the 3rd gen Ryzen Mobile H series chip. So this is going to be a powerful laptop that is as powerful as a Core i7 9th gen desktop. That's a pretty bold claim by AMD, so we're going to check out this laptop. But there's one feature that I want to highlight, because this laptop actually comes with this really cool design, this LED chassis that's really cool. You could just configure this animation like we have right here. This is a snowman and a Christmas tree, but ASUS says that you could even configure it to receive notifications like incoming emails and other things, such as the battery level. It's actually damn cool. Alright, so this is one of the key highlight features of the Zephyrus G14 that's gonna make you a really cool gamer. So let's check out the hardware of this laptop. Okay, so the keyboard here, this is one of the things that I would like to highlight. The keyboard here is extremely solid, even though it's an engineering sample. There's a good key travel of 1.7 millimeters, and if you listen to the feedback, it's actually a pretty solid keyboard, even though it's just an engineering sample. So the power button here also serves as a fingerprint reader. That is something new that is not available on previous Zephyrus devices. So you do get cooling vents at the back here and on the side. There's one here and there's one on the other side. So in terms of ports, we are looking at a HDMI port, a USB-C that doesn't support Thunderbolt 3, unfortunately, but that's okay. And you also get a headphone jack right here. So as you can see here, this laptop is slightly tilted like all the Zephyrus laptops for better air cooling. And one of the best things about this laptop is that it comes with improved speakers over previous Zephyrus. So it comes with 2 top firing speakers and 2 bottom firing speakers. Thus, it will create a Dolby Atmos spatial audio effect. And on the right side here, we get 2 USB-A ports, which is good. You can connect your mouse or any external keyboards on the right side here. And finally, you get another USB-C port, which unfortunately doesn't support Thunderbolt 3 as well, but that's actually fine. Now, if you look at the screen, this is a 14-inch display that has a variable refresh rate of up to 144 Hz. It supports AMD's FreeSync technology, so it could go down from 40 plus Hz and up to 144 Hz depending on the game frame rate. So that's actually a pretty cool display. It's also Pantone validated, so that you get pretty accurate colors right there. So in terms of other specs, we have a card right here. This is what ASUS has stated. So this thing will support up to DDR4 3200 MHz and up to 32 GB of RAM. You get up to 1 TB of storage, and this thing only weighs 1.6 to 1.7 kilograms. So that's actually a pretty lightweight laptop despite of its pretty chunky form factor. Alright, so ASUS did tell me that this laptop will be coming soon to Malaysia, and the price of this would be around the 5,000 ringgit range, considering that it is an AMD powered machine, and it would come up to with a RTX 2060 graphics card. So no news about it whether it will come with a Radeon RX 5600 or 5700M, but I hope that will be an option, because probably it's going to make the laptop cheaper. Alright, so this has been a first look of the ROG Zephyrus G14 over at CES 2020. Stay tuned for more over at KLGadgetTV. Subscribe to our channel, hit the bell notification icon to be notified of any uploads, and I'll see you in the very next one.